Hello my lovely friends and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another subscription box unboxing. This time is the Beautyfix for the month of August. Finally I'm back on track with the boxes and the months. Probably I have one more the Target box for July, but I'm waiting for the August one to put them in the same video. In the meantime, let's see what's in the August Beautyfix by Dermstore box. By far this is my favorite box as skincare. I love this box and it's a box that I will keep always. The box looks like this as every month. Last month was a longer one. This month is back to its normal size. Let's see what we have in this one. As usual, I will leave the links down below in the description box if you wanna check them. And this is a good one. I don't remember exactly how much is this one. I believe it's around $26, but don't count on that. I will leave the link down below. And comes with a card, and we have all the and some coupons also. We have all the items inside on this card and couple details, and if you bear with my English I will read those. Here is the box inside, and let's see what are those items. The first thing that I see here, and of course a ton of worms, so you might see me scratching my nose. Anyway, we have the Beautyfix by Beauty Blender, and is this pink sponge, and we have also the cleanser, and this is my favorite cleanser, not the liquid one. This is the liquid one. I prefer the solid one, but you can also use this one because it does exactly the same job as the solid one. I have a device, actually a big device that cleans a ton of brushes in the same time, and I usually put this one in that device and works just fine. So here is the first product in here, Beauty Blender Beautyfix. Leave this words oily, shiny and sweetie at home, compact enough for a purse or pocket. This sponge absorbs oil without smearing your makeup, so good to have it in your travel bag. I was asked to do a video what's in my bag. I will try to, if at least 2 or 3 of you would like to see that, I will do that video. Anyway, this is a good size to travel with, to have it in your purse. Then the next item in here, it's a sample, and I cannot tell you how many times we got this before, at least this brand. We have Skin Medica TNS Eye Repair this time. This one looks like this. And about this one, it's eye repair, red eye flights, hotel beds and sleeping bags don't make for the first sleep conditions. Wake up tired eyes with this top rated eye cream. So we'll try that. We all need them this cream at some point, so we'll see about this one. Very tiny, although travel size, of course. We have here Ultra Repair Lip Therapy, and this one is from First Aid Beauty, another item that comes very often in the boxes. And about this one, dry air, fruity cocktails and too much sun can be especially dehydrating on your lips. Repair and protect with this antioxidant rich balm. So next we have an Air No Lazlo product. We have Exfoliate and Detox Sima Deep Cleansing Bar, and I got this one probably still from this subscription with in a kit with something else. Let me show you the size of this one. It's a tiny one, but even a tiny one will last for a while. It's Sima Deep Cleansing Bar. Your vacation might not involve Dead Sea floating, but you can still get the restorative skin benefits with this travel size cleansing bar. So if you use soaps for your face, probably you'll like this. I will try it because I got this in boxes, but I'm not a fan of soaps. So we also have in here a toothpaste, and this one is from Marvius Whitening Mint. Looks like this. And about this one, finally a travel size toothpaste you'll want to keep using ever after vacation. Whiten, freshen and protect on the go. So this size, a travel size. I'm looking at my battery because plays games with me again. We have a favorite product of mine. It's a sample, and this one is by whom 7 Night Supply Beauty. It's a dietary supplement, and this one is melatonin and B6. I'm actually taking this one every night, so I'm glad when I get this in boxes, because other than that I don't have to buy it. And I got a good amount of those samples. This is a week supply. Great to have it. Jack Leg, I don't know her, promoted deep and restful sleep with this drug-free vitamin-rich blend, and believe me, it works. Then, and this one is in, I'm trying to see how many milligrams are in this one. This one is 3 milligrams and 10 milligrams of B6, calcium 63. You're supposed to take a tablet with 20 minutes before going to bed. I'm taking them and I love them. And this bracelet gives me hard time. Then we have DP Hui, I don't know exactly how you pronounce this, ACV, apple cider vinegar scalp scrub. I wanted to try this for a long time. I think I got the full size in FabFitFun box, but I didn't try it because I have other products open, but I'll try the sample. And about this one, whether it's the Sand and Sea or Hotel shampoo, some things don't do your scalp any favors. Find quick relief with this detoxifying scrub. So is this one, we'll see about. So far until now we got just one full size product, which is the lip balm. So hopefully to get better products from now on. Then we have from Tarte, we have Tarte Yes Lip Paint, which is new to this box, and this one is in the shade Rose. I'm not a fan of the lip paint because it dries on my lips and makes me looking like my grandmother. Don't get me wrong, I loved her. Anyway, sorry for that remark. Anyway, here is the shade of this one. I tried this one in a sample, and I had to apply always lip gloss on top of this. So surprise in this box, Tarte makeup product, and this one is in a full size, I believe. I think it's a full size. Why waste precious bag real estate with lip colors when one will do. This ultra pigmented rosy nude will complement every single outfit. So looks like this. It's a pretty nude. Then we have in here, I wish to know how to pronounce this. It's Sasha Juan. Anyway, you read the name. And this is dry powder shampoo. Okay, looks like a full size. Let me take out this one. About this one, raise your hand if you hate washing your hair on vacation. Bring this along to extend your style for a day or two without oil and build up. So a dry shampoo. We'll see. I would at least until now it seems to me that we got more makeup products than usually in this box, and I'm not happy about from this point, because I'm getting this box for the skincare part, but it is what it is. I hope they will get back on track with the skincare part. And the last item in here, it's a full size probably. This is Chlorine Smoothing and Relaxing Patches Eye Contour. I used them before and I liked. I like those. We have 7 treatments in here, and they look like this. As I said, I used them before and I like them. Happy with those. So far there are a couple good products in this box, but in my opinion it's not their excuse me, their best box lately. So I'm excited about the eye patches. I'm excited about the home pills. Also, what I like in here, what I would like to try is the eye repair from Skin Medica, and everything else is just there. It's nice, it's a good box, but not the best from them. I hope they will not get used to send makeup products and things like this. I hope they will stay with the skincare part. We'll see next month what happens with this box, because I wouldn't like to cancel this one. I like the box, and especially their limited edition boxes. So that's kind of all in this box. So far it's a good one, but not the best. We get whatever comes. We'll see how the products work. As I said before, if you see something in the box that you want me to ask about, just let me know and I'll put them in the samples of the week video. I love to try new samples for me and for you also. So that was all for the month of August from Beautyfix. I will see you, of course, again with another video. One of these days I will in the next days I will have another giveaway, but before that we need to find a winner for the Makeup Geek small tiny box, and this will be probably this Sunday if I'm correct, and then we'll see. We'll have another tiny giveaway. Probably after the middle of the month we'll have my giveaway for my 1-year anniversary here on YouTube. We'll have that gift for a friend also, and we'll see. Let me tell you, thank you so much again for your time, for your support, and I'll see you again very soon. You have an amazing day. Bye bye.